Now, lack of safe spaces to report gender-based violence cases in Marsabit County has been cited as one of the major contributors to a surge in GBV cases, with female genital mutilation top on the list. This has compelled non-governmental organizations such as Oxfam and its partners to establish gender desks at local dispensaries at grassroots levels to combat the outlawed act. In Marsabit County, FGM has an 87% prevalence rate. Our reporter Boniface Baraza visited the county and filed this report.
For a while, gender-based violence has been on the rise among pastoralist communities in the north. And despite the government's firm stance and the endeavors of non-governmental organizations in taming the vice, our visit to Funankumbi in Sololo Sub-County, Marsabit County, reveals there is much to be done, as residents acknowledge an increase in various forms of gender-based violence. Among them, female genital mutilation, early marriage, rape, defilement, and marital conflicts.
Tunaenda kilomita zaidi ya 10. Na ukiwa njiani tunakumbana na shida mingi. Kama wamama unaweza pata ukienda umebakwa njiani, ukituma mtoto wako msichana ujui kama atarudi ama atabakwa.
In terms of GBV, we are not yet out of the woods. The most common GBV cases around is FGM, early marriage, wife battering. FGM stands at 87% in Marsabit County. And generally, GBV is more than 60% in Marsabit.
The alarming situation has agitated stakeholders committed to combating gender-based violence to bridge the gap, as Oxfam and Strategies for Northern Development (SND) have established gender desk units in local dispensaries in the remote areas of Funankumbi and Rawana to address the violence. The dispensary's doors remains open to provide services for victims of GBV who lack access and safe space to voice their violations in the society.
Ama aninkometi sunkejira.
Nimekuja hapa kwa dispensary kwa mara. Sisi kama wanaume tumekuja kuripoti shida yetu kama tumedunuma haki za watoto, na hii helpdesk tumetusaidia kupunguza GBV.
Few kilometers from here, we meet women and men converged under a tree for a sensitization exercise geared towards ending GBV in the Borana community, carried out by SND GBV champion.
Nimekuja kufunzwa hapa, na mafunzo yenye nimepewa siku ya leo ni kuhusu madhara ya wasichana kuolewa mapema, na pia haki za wanawake na pia za wanaume, na wanawake wakidhulumiwa venye tunaweza ripoti na penye tunaweza ripoti.
Sasa Dokata, nimekuja hapa kufunzwa kuhusu FGM, madhara yake, na vile wanawake wanaweza kuwa viongozi katika boma, na pia vile tunaweza maliza GBV.
Godana Goyo, the area chief of Rawana location, says illiteracy and outlawed cultural practices are the main factors in the increase in cases of GBV, especially during the prolonged drought experienced in the area and during the long holidays.
Mainly mimi naonelea ni illiteracy. Watu kutojua, kwa sababu saa zingine watu wanafikiri ya kwamba mtoto pengine she was engaged at early marriages, alafu wazee wanasema mtoto kupata bwana at early stage is a blessing. Alafu they don't value school, they value culture.
These community members, sometimes they don't have safe spaces to report these cases. That's why SND, Strategies for the Northern Development, that is, through the support of Oxfam and a SAL humanitarian network, they came up with an idea of putting gender help desks whereby community members can safely report cases of GBV.
Marsabit County government has lauded the partnership, saying it has provided safe spaces and enlightened the community, more so by giving women voices to report the cases.
Marsabit County is a vast county, so county alone is not enough. With the help of our partners, we have established a gender help desk with S&D, and this gender help desk is a very amazing idea. So far, community have started reporting the cases through this gender help desk, and it is bringing the number down.
The gender help desk is meant to give assistance to GBV victims by directing them on what to do and how to escalate the cases further to state actors.
Such forums at the grassroots level is meant to enlighten the community and bring down the vice that has been on the rise and ensure GBV is a thing of the past. Bonfas Barasa, Citizen TV, Funan Kumbi Sololo.